Hey, hello guys! How's it going? Of course, there are many things and features that we could add to our language bot. But there is one crucial option that I would like to mention. This is a keyboard. To have a button menu would be extremely useful for picking a right answer, for example. So let's add this keyboard to the bot. Frankly, the bot already has this keyboard. There is an option menu in the Telegram bot controller, but it is the default keyboard. The point is to have a dynamic keyboard that will provide appropriate buttons for each bot section. Firstly, I thought that it would be better to create another factory method in order to create unique keyboard according to a message from bot. But now it looks like too much complex task, and it doesn't look like "don't repeat yourself" button. Because when we form a quiz, we prepare the text with answers and we need to hand those answers to the keyboard. So if we divided the text and the keyboard, we would have to determine those answers again. Moreover, creating the keyboard together with the text message is so easy. I just added a menu array here and it has all answers. Then I created a setMenu method that saves the array with correct options and created a getter method that provides this menu for class users. After that, we can request the menu from the instance of the class. Since all message classes must implement menu getter, let's add this function into abstract message class. And of course, add getter and setter to each child message class as well. Okay, how does it work? Let's check it out. It is much better as for me. Okay, thanks for being with me today. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel and see you in the next video.